2024 Essential A of Reggae. And we're there with the bad artist as I was informed.
Yeah, man.
So tell me what the I artist name.
Jah Fabio, aka the Mexican.
Alright, so people hear that, not Jamaican. So we're in Mexico. Where are you from?
Guadalajara, Mexico, yeah.
All
a
right,
mariachi place.
Alright then, so I see that you're here with some friends, but them behind the camera because them kind of camera shy. So they're from Mexico also?
No, she.
No, man.
Oh yeah, the girl come from the embassy.
Okay.
The other friends come from Mexico. They are my crew, you know.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, my
crew.
road manager, my
So
father.
shout out them, call them name, big them up, so them can watch on the YouTube.
Yeah, Jah Fabio, MX. You can see my music. You can check my music in a Reggae Vibes Rhythm, and you can check my reggae music. And remember that you have to keep reggae music alive, you know. Youths, don't try to be an American artist. You are a Jamaican artist. Keep your culture alive.
All right. So
Yeah, man.
what took you to Jamaica?
I will performance in a Bob Marley Day, and I will do a symposium about the reggae impact in Latin America.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So you're here to show and to let ones know that reggae music is being done in Mexico on a high level also.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I try to do the real thing. That's why I come to Jamaica, learn the real thing.
Okay.
To don't be a lame.
Okay, learn
know,
the culture. and
Learn the
how it
culture.
is structured.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't want to be a wannabe. I don't want to be a copycat. You understand?
cool.
So that's why I work for reggae music in my country to keep alive, and I bring Mexican people to live the culture and live the music. You know.
So big up my artist,
Yeah,
big up
man,
yourself and give thanks. So what the
Yeah.
rhythm name? What's the name of the rhythm that you voiced on?
Reggae vibes.
Okay, Reggae Vibes.
Yeah.
So you chat to Reggae Vibes right now. He buys a song for Reggae Vibes, so they need to check out that rhythm there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So again, big up my brother.
Yeah, man.
Mexico in our place.
Yeah, man. Bless
Fresh.
you. Yeah.
Our world here, my
Yeah.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, Jah Fabio, out of Mexico, real bandilero. You see me? Big up reggae sax. Yo, hear me now.
No necesitamos muros, necesitamos amor y compasión. No necesitamos muros, es mucha la ignorancia de ese señor. No necesitamos muros, hace mal a nuestro corazón la división. No necesitamos muros, no volvamos a los tiempos de la segregación. Dice yo no soy matón, tampoco un ladrón, soy latinoamericano con indignación. Hey, yo, se nota tu mala intención, dime a dónde quieres llegar con tu discriminación. No entiendo por qué dices que somos un mal vecino, por qué tanto odio hacia todos los latinos. Es que tanta idiotez no la concibo, no logro entender qué pasa contigo. No necesitamos muros, necesitamos amor y compasión. No necesitamos muros, es mucha la ignorancia de ese señor. No necesitamos muros, hace mal a nuestro corazón la división. No necesitamos muros, no volvamos a los tiempos de la segregación. The Mexican guy come fi tell you, we bomb Batman when you fear you. So me say fire on them, blaze it again. Iniquity me rebellion, me fight for equal rights. Ghetto youths open your eyes, luchemos por la igualdad. La dignidad del ser humano no se puede aplastar. No necesitamos muros, necesitamos amor y compasión. No necesitamos muros, es mucha la ignorancia de ese señor. No necesitamos muros, hace mal a nuestro corazón la división. No necesitamos muros, no volvamos a los tiempos de la segregación.